what's up? This is my Sam. This is my mom.
Hi.
This is Ken. And we are looking at I love this view so very much, Mama.
Roughly 32 degrees right now. It is 32 degrees outside with ice and sleet. We tried to go to the doctor to get there on time, and when we got there, they had closed because of the bad weather. So we made that trip for nothing. So right now it's kind of stinky outside because somebody run over a skunk, and the skunk smell is inside the car right now. And this snow and ice is supposed to last all the way through the night.
So, you not feeling good, Mom?
No, not.
So, tell the story. Come on.
I don't know, I'm not feeling good. I don't know, I'm just not feeling good. Went to work yesterday, tried to make it till 10 o'clock, and till after the first break, I did. 10 o'clock came, and I could not make it no more, so I went in the car and started throwing up, and stayed in the car the whole day until Ken and Samantha came, and then after that, this was on Valentine's Day, yesterday. Then after that, I lay down, went to sleep, had chicken noodle soup before that, and then after that, went to work, powered through it. People were nice enough at work to help me. So, went to the doctor, supposed to be at 3:20, and because of all the bad weather and the ice, they closed without calling us. So now I don't know what to do. What a day.
But you do need to take vitamin C, that's all.
I have to take the vitamin C.
And then, what?
Zinc and NyQuil and Zicam nose spray and hot tea
And Epsom salt.
and Epsom salt
And vapor rub.
and vapor rub, and that helps it out.
Yep.
My mom says to go to urgent care.
What do you say?
My mom, she just texted me and she said go to urgent care. And she's texting me again.
Okay.
My throat still hurts and I feel like I ran a marathon, a full one. And my mom said urgent care
Okay.
before I said that. see what my mom says. She's texting right now.
We may not go. I don't know. You know.
Well, the roads are icy. There's cars and ditches everywhere, and we have to be very careful. We've seen 2 cars in ditches so far.
What do you say again?
I said there was 2 cars in ditches already because of the ice that's on the road, and it's only going to get worse as the day goes by, they say. It's just now, it's supposed to start around 12 o'clock, but it started a little earlier. But it's supposed to get really bad here in a little while. So, that's what we're doing. And, right now we're going by Roadside Park. And I'm running out of stuff to say, but the camera girl, she's very persistent in keeping the video going. So, what will I do? Do a little dance here. Yes ma'am, look at that water. Right there. That's Roadside Park. Waterfalls. Yep,
What do you say again?
I said there was the waterfall back
What
there.
else do you say?
And Roadside Park. And got to be careful going around curves because the road looks shiny, and that could indicate ice. Right now the temperature's 33 outside, so it's 1 degree above freezing. And you can't tell where black ice is, and it's very dangerous. So anyway.
Today is Friday, February 15th, 3:33 p.m. Wait.
Yep.
What, Kim?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
3:33 p.m.
I love this view so much over here.
Very good view. Over there is Pilot's Hill. As we get into this clearing, you'll see a hump way over there in
Pilot
the
you?
Pilot's Hill.
Oh.
There it is, hump. Way over there in the distance. Springfield. And they're probably closed too because it's worse in Springfield. We're driving away from it right now, but it's coming to us. We would have to turn around and drive an hour or more into the ice storm. We can go by and see if the clinic is open. I mean, we can try that, but they may not be closed. But did you tell her that you are feeling somewhat better?
Yeah. But, so you feeling somewhat better?
Somewhat, but my chest is kind of hurting off and on.
And I don't even know whether or not if any place we would go would be open. Like that one there is closed. I'm sure the hospital district is open. But when you go to the emergency room, you're going to have to pay a $250 upfront copay. And then emergency room fees.
How I want, it's funny, but it's not funny whatsoever. So, it's not good. So, so we may go, we may not go, I don't know, so who knows. Anyway, I will keep you posted, see if we going on. Okay, I can do that. So I have to, so all of you guys will keep it Buffett Lake.
Yep.